Community hubs are a way to enable people to access support from health and social care services within their local neighbourhoods. They can be based in any type of accessible venue, including libraries, community centres, shops and faith buildings.
It's life-changing what this hub, the support this hub has given me.
I knew there was only this could really help me get back on my feet.
Hubs often include social workers, health practitioners and other professionals alongside staff from voluntary and community organisations.
This whole part of the community is everything. Everyone from any background is open to everyone and everyone is treated with equality.
This film is based on research looking at how hubs can be set up and run.
I think it's important to be here in the community where people are because it's accessible for them.
The building is a perfect location on the main road. We've got a great big space.
It's easy to get to, it's easy to find. There's a bus stop outside. 10 yards further along there's a bus stop the other way, so you can get here from other places too. And there's a car park.
When I couldn't drive, the buses stop outside, so I used to come down with the disability walker on the bus and just get the bus outside and catch the bus home.
It's in a brilliant position really for just people passing.
So we've got a school on this side, we've got a school on this side. We're connected to a health centre, we've got a children's centre, we've just got a whole host of different amenities around us.
Where I live is just across the road, more or less. It's all to do with anxiety, people, as I say, living on their own. They want to meet up with people. The centre is just like the focal point for them. I just think it's like a lifeline to them.
Facebook is a massive pull for the hub.
Every week we put a reminder on our social media page so that people are aware of it and they know the times and the location of it to drop in.
We do a lot of communication through the schools. We've got a really good relationship with the local schools as well. Also, we're physically linked to a church next door, which also is a really good community setting for that group of people.
We are lucky that we have such good volunteers and good leaders who put themselves out there, who are so involved in helping other people, in making sure other people know what we're doing.
We are well linked in with social prescribers, so we make sure that the social prescribers know what we have going on here so that the people in the community know what's on offer here. We have flyers, posters, anything like that, but actually word of mouth is what we probably find is most important.
There's a lot of word of mouth because something goes on here and next thing it's gone like a bushfire.
I know that a lot of the clubs here have naturally grown.
I thought I'd try out a coffee morning, and there was about 4 people that came. We ended up then with about 12 in the end. It just thrived.
Everyone needs help sometimes, and it's having that person that knows the landscape, has the connections to be able to say, if I can't help you directly, I know someone that can.
We have community navigators linked to certain services. If somebody comes in and they've got maybe a problem, that by working with them and by working with other services within the community, we can help them to navigate it and hopefully achieve a positive outcome for them in the end.
You know, a lot of the time people aren't here seeking us out as well. You know, they're already here for, say, Pauline's coffee morning, or they're here for a gardening club on a Friday, or, for example, they're here to see some of the other services that work in this space. But then they've had a conversation with us and we've managed to sort of give that to them. So it's, it's catching people where they're already, congregating.
We have to be in a situation where people have services that they can access, not have to go. So, no wrong front door is a concept that people often talk about. It's somewhere where they can get help and support without feeling it's being shoved down their throat.
There's a range of professionals that are here who you don't need an appointment to see. Just come in, check in with our reception desk and say what your issue is, what you'd like to talk about.
If they're not directly linked in to this community centre on that day or during one of our pop-up services and a resident came in looking for a service, I can always make that referral or make that link for them.
When I first came here, I didn't realise how much did go on in here and how much support there is.
We don't ever want anyone to leave this building having presented with an issue and feel like they've got no help. We offer toddler groups, we offer youth engagement groups for pre-teens, for primary school children.
We've got the libraries here. We've got things like the Fab Lab, so that's like crafts, technology like 3D printing.
We offer bingo sessions, we offer community meals.
We've got our occupational therapy suite.
We have a shop.
But then importantly, we have support services.
So my role in the hub is with the Let's Talk service, which is essentially a pop-up shop for adult social care. You don't need an appointment. You can show up and get advice from us. You know, we can complete assessments of needs with them.
Some of the services that we have available are food bank, citizens advice. We even have Samaritans now that offer a drop-in once a month.
I cook, I clean, I do youth work, I do food bank vouchers, I do everything. So we accommodate everyone. And when you come in, you leave as a friend.
Most of the work that's done here isn't just co-produced with our volunteers, it's conceived and completely produced by our volunteers. But the services that we offer here are primarily a safe, welcoming, familiar space for people to come into.
I enjoy coming, I come and I have my meal. So I enjoy, coming for the bingo and different events and things that happen.
I didn't get involved with the hubs till 15 months ago, and from then it's just escalated to give me this year physical strength, financial stability, all the aids I need to live independently.
I rely on here for social activities. It's been a lifeline for me as well.
What we're looking at here is a place where it really is belonging to the people, and they're the ones that should be deciding what goes on, and this is a fantastic example of how that can happen in a local community.
I really, really do appreciate from the bottom of my heart, and I want to say thank you to the library for the things that they do for everyone in Hartlepool.
It's a lifesaver. It's somewhere for them to come and talk to people, and you don't feel on your own. And they make you feel as though you're marvellous,